Hi students, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to SR Maths Tutorials. Today we discuss about a complete concept of the pair of linear equation basic knowledge. Basic knowledge. What is the pair of linear equation in two variable? What is the general form of the pair of linear equation in two variable? First of all, listen the concept. The pair of linear equation in two variable is just a x plus b y plus c is equal to 0. This is very most important equation in two variables. Those variables are x and y. What is a concept of ABC here? In this equation, ABC terms also is there. So this A comma B comma C, ABC is belongs to real numbers. Belongs to real numbers. You know very well. Real numbers first concept in the 10th class level. Next, what is the x comma y? X comma y are variable summa. It belongs to variables. Is called variables. Unknowing numbers. Okay. Now, the general equation of the two variables in the concept is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, in this case, whenever given two equations like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, one more equation. Now these two equations actually x coefficient, y coefficient same are there. X coefficient A, y coefficient B, and one more thing constant also same. So I represent these two equations different. Then x coefficients are a1, y coefficient is b1, next constant is a1. One more equation I am taking here 2, 2, 2. A2, B2, C2. Now these two equations are different is there. For example, A1 and A2, B1 and B2, C1 and C2 are I am taking here different numbers. Then how to find the x comma y? That is very important in this situation. First of all, listen students, this concept is drawn at, for example, a line amount. The diagram of the linear equation in two variable is like a line because of listen here, this pronunciation is linear. Linear equation having the first four letters are line. So this diagram is like this shape. So linear equation in two variable general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a just a line. That line is passing through the how many points students? For example, this line is passing through number of points. Tell me here. A line is cannot be end. A line is cannot be end. So line having how many points students? How many points? Infinite many solutions. Infinite many points. So a line having how many points? A line having infinite many points. Infinite many points. Infinite many points can be created. Infinite many solutions of that equation. So each and every linear equation in two variable concept is how many solutions, students? A linear equation in two variable have infinite many solutions. Okay. Each and every linear equation having how many solutions? Infinite many solutions. How many zeros? Zeros also infinite. How many roots? In roots also infinite many roots. So finally a line having how many zeros, how many roots, how many solutions. These three names are equal to each other. Names are different, but the concept is only one concept. That is a linear equation having how many points will be satisfied. Okay. How many points are there, students? A line having how many points? Infinite many points. So, how many zeros? Infinite many zeros. How many roots? Infinite many roots. How many solutions? Infinite many solutions. So, each and every line having the points are infinite many points. Those points are zeros, solutions, roots. Now, my concept is in the 10th class level, two lines are like, for example, two lines are like this one, line 1, line 2, represented like this one. These lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting. This type of the lines are called intersecting lines. I'm taking one more pair of lines like this one. These lines actually no intersecting, not meet at one point. So these lines like parallel lines, parallel lines. Two lines cannot be meet at one any point. Those lines are called parallel lines. This is intersecting lines. Because of these two lines meet at one point, that is represented P. P is the common point of the two lines. So these two lines are called intersecting lines. These two lines cannot be having the minimum one point also is not common point is there. These two lines are parallel lines. One more two lines I represent here. Listen carefully. This is one line and one more line. This is one more line. Are you observed students? Two lines are there here. One is dot line, not ending points. One more is yellow line, not ending points. These two lines are overlap to one to each other. These two lines are called coincident lines. Coincident lines. Actually, this line is only one is there, but one after another one is coincident to each other. So these lines are called coincident lines. How many intersecting points are there in this situation, students? These two lines are coincident to each other now, so these two lines having the common points are infinite many points. Infinite many points are infinite many solutions will become here. So how many solutions are there in these two concepts? These two lines are overlap to each other. Coincident lines are called, these lines are called coincident lines. Coincident lines. When you can take any two lines like one method, first case, second case, or third case. Only three cases are there, students. Only three cases. You represent any two lines like case one or case two or case three. Only three cases are there. No, one more case also is not there, is there. So whenever one pair of linear equation like this one first one is intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? Two lines are meet at one point. Those lines are called intersecting lines. The second one is no intersecting point, no common point is there. So this type of the lines are called parallel lines. The third case is one line is coincident to another line. One line is overlap to another line. So this type of the lines are called coincident lines. Whenever lines are intersecting, one solution is there. Whenever lines are parallel, no solutions is there because of no common point is there. These two lines, no common point, no meet at one point also is there. So this is lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines cannot having the common point. The third case is each and every point is common point. So number of solutions are infinite many solutions. Number of solutions are zero solutions. Number of solutions are one solution. The solutions of the two linear equation in two variables concept is dependent on how many solutions are there. How many solutions are there? That concept is very important. Now solution is only one is there because of lines are intersecting, because of two lines meet at only one point. One point meet at there, so one solution is there. No points common is there, no meet to each other, so solution is zero solutions is there. How many solutions meet at one line is coincident to each other, so lines are having common points are infinite many points. So number of solutions also infinite many solutions. Are you observed students here? If you can take any two lines, you form only three methods are there. First one is intersecting lines, second one is parallel lines, third one is coincident lines. Only three concepts, no more than three. No more than three. These three concepts are very most important. How to find the solutions of the equations. I explained the next concept how to find those two lines equations. Okay, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.